Good morning, this is my Schamanen-Orakel reading. Today I'm reading for Aries, Taurus, Gemini and Cancer. And this reading here is for Taurus. Welcome Taurus. I'm using 2 decks, tarot decks. The first one is Moon and Stars, Tarot. And the card that came out is the Devil. The Devil is about some greed, self-restraint, wasted energy, enslavement of the mind, fear of change, old habits, and, in some cases, some addiction. The Devil sits atop his throne on the card. Then the throne is made of illusion, showing his self-made ability to take hold of other people's lives. The moon is eclipsed behind him, signifying hidden subconscious desire. Behind the eclipse, the sun's glow can be seen. This symbolizes the freedom from addiction once you let go of the past or any binding situation. The constellation of Capricorn is linked to public image. 2 dragons wear chains of stars around their necks, representing their own willingness to bend to their addictions. The meaning of the card is obsession. This card is one that indicates abusive and restrictive energy as time is being spent unwisely. Now is the time to break free from the roots of your addictions, as life is happier without them. The card highlights the toxicity of your addictions or anything taken in extreme doses: alcohol, work, smoking, arguments, drugs, and even sex. Obsessive emotions toward people may be high right now, and you must let go. You may even have a feeling of being trapped by guilt, but try to see your inner strength during these testing times. The star message is: see the truth of where you stand. You have the power to change your situation at any time. You are not bound by others' expectations. Say this moon magic affirmation: I have broken free of everything that holds me back. Card number 2 is from the Tarot of the Divine, and out for you came 3 of Swords. And the card 3 of Swords of this deck relates to a Japanese fairy tale called Crane Wife. The 3 of Swords represents betrayal. The Crane Wife asks her husband for some privacy, but he spies on her, only to discover that she was hurting herself in order to help him. His spying was treacherous, but so was her inability to trust him with her secret. The card is about some heartbreak, self-harm, some sadness, grief, and separation. Next card is the Quantum Oracle card, and out came Intuition and Manifestation. And the card's title is The Crystal Ball. A woman holds at a beautiful crystal ball on a velvet covered table. No, a woman looks at a beautiful crystal ball on a velvet covered table. The orb reflects the light of the room and is surrounded by the light of spirit, yet we can see a misty image in the center. The message here is that your future potential is available to you now, both to see and to change. The more you learn to trust your intuition, the more you will be able to know what is down the road for you. Not only that, you will be able to get flashes of insight about what you need to do now to forge the future that you desire. This card is telling you that you have the clarity to create a vision of what you want and the energetic ability to make it real. You have the power of manifestation, and it is time to take that seriously. Also, if you have been thinking of developing a career or an advocation in the art of mediumship or oracle card readings, this card is giving you the green light. Your intuitive powers, they are expanding, so open up to the messages that you are so deeply and clearly able to receive right now. Say this affirmation: my intuition is clear, my vision for the future is strong, I am capable of seeing and manifesting my greatest dreams and desires. Now we come to the Beyond Lemuria card. Out for you came transformation. Go inwards and be present with whatever you are at in your process. Feel whatever you need to feel. It may be difficult to be present at a moment, but give yourself some gentle self-love and lots of reflection. Insight will eventually come, shadows will be released, and your heart space will soften. Cry or be angry if this is what you feel at the time, and laugh at the irony of things, if that helps. Journey beyond your constructed outer self, where you can delve into the beautiful abyss of your being. Revel in the twilight before the dawn, and let your wings unfurl. And the card from the Schamanen-Orakel, it's a German deck, came out the card Red Parrot. And wait, the Red Parrot has 2 pages. Where's the other page? What did I do? Wait. Red Parrot. Here it is. Sorry for the delay. The Red Parrot card is the number 11, relating to listening, and it is a moon card. And the Red Parrot relates to the number 11, as I said, which is the Maya painting or signifying with 2 horizontal bars, 1 each, counting 5, and then adding a dot on top of it. And I painted that or wrote it down to show here. This is how it looks. 2 bars, each counting 5, and on top a seed or a dot counting 1, becoming 11. This is the way the Maya did their mathematics, and so I wanted to show it. It is a very creative counting system. It's like a rung of a ladder into a new world and a new number. And each dot on the top of the different bars or bar signify a seed that has been planted into Mother Earth, that seed holding all the potentials that life has to offer. The red parrot comes down from the sky, and they usually fly in groups of 2, and so they are called holy red twins, guardians of the red echoes. Their echo or their sound is a gift to the world in which we live. The red parrot brings to our attention that there is no sound without silence. The card comes into your reading to make you aware of the importance to listen. If you do not listen, you cannot hear or receive a message or messages. You can also listen to some wrong messages, so listen always carefully and discern the wrong from the right message. Listen and listen carefully, says the red parrot. All sounds carry messages, even wind, rain, traffic, human voices, and animal sounds. Listen even to insects, says the red parrot. Listen to the pulse and the rhythm of life, a poesy most simple yet important. When you need to give answers, you first need to listen and to hear. Maybe you sit in a cafe and though you enjoy the company of others, you are distracted from listening. You might be in the company of another person or persons, and now you are too distracted to hearing what the others say. All the constant noises in this busy world, they lead to our inability to truly hearing what others are saying. This busy world has taught us to turn off our receptors. So be selective. Do not allow to be bombarded by too many voices and sounds around you. Make your decision what to listen to and what to shut up to. Listen to the galactic wind, advises the parrot. Then and only then will you truly hear what needs to be heard. And the last card is the Keepers of Light Oracle card, and out for you came Lord Ganesh or Ganesha. And Lord Ganesh is about infinite abundance. Obstacles are being removed and spiritual support and connections, they are increasing. Ganesh, also known as Ganapataya, is the Hindu elephant-headed god, the son of Lord Shiva and the goddess Parvati. Legend says that he received his elephant head as a replacement after his father sliced his human one off when he mistook him for an intruder. Ganesh is acknowledged as the Lord who removes obstacles and is much loved by taxi drivers in India because they believe that he helps them weave in and out of the crazy traffic. Ganesh is a sweet-toothed and life-loving, joyful, dancing, and very approachable god. He will use his light to weave a perfect path for you. There is an extended message. It is important at this time to move beyond the limitations of it's not meant to be and focus on if this is for my highest good, then the universe will take me there safely. Ganesh is not only bringing a clear light to your external situation, but he's also helping you clear up any inner conflicts. When obstacles arise, know that they are just reminders that you care about your past and that you have the ability to change your current situation. Ganesh is here to help you, so thank him for clearing the way. To increase your connection to him, you may want to chant in Sanskrit Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. So that was the reading for Taurus. I thank you very much for listening, Taurus. I wish you a wonderful day today. I wish you a great week. Take care and goodbye.